Hello everyone!
Hello, hi everyone.
So welcome back and thank you very much for all your support on our first video.
Thanks for
We're very
the
happy
subscriptions.
about all your subscriptions and about you encouraging us to continue. So as you have seen, we left London in autumn and we started traveling around Europe. And in that time we mostly worked remotely and surfed a lot, so we don't have many videos about that time, but we might try and upload some short clips just to show you what we did. But for now, we would like to take you with us in our new adventure and show you a few hints about where we are.
Where we are now, yes.
So,
What is this?
we have lots of mangas,
Origami.
We are in
Japan. We are in Hakuba, in the Nagano prefecture. We came here in January during the snow season. It was absolutely awesome. But then we got stuck here. We managed to get a visa extension and gave us the opportunity to enjoy the simple life in the countryside and basically know the Japanese culture a little bit more. So today we want to show you a little bit of life in Hakuba.
We have been really lucky to stay with some local people here, which have been really kind and taken us around to show us what they do in their daily life. Things have been mostly normal around here, so we managed to go and visit onsens and cherry blossoms. And today we want to show you a very simple day, one of our normal days here with our friends.
Yeah. This is a buffer episode before we start something more exciting. It's going to be a surprise and we can't wait to show you. But for now, enjoy this episode.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Take care. Cheers.
Speak soon. Okay, here we are. Ready?
Yeah.
Hands washed. Let's go and see where they take us. Off we go. Shoes on.
Yes.
It's a lovely day today. Mask time. It's nice that Japan is safe and you can leave the windows open when you go shopping. Close the door. Okay. We are looking for vegetables for a garden, for a green garden.
Five. It's five. Cucumber?
Wow, cucumber, Olivia! We have tomatoes. Discussing what to get because a lot of things we can't plant them because the monkeys would come and eat them. Because we live very close to the forest. Okinawa Goya. Okay, shall we go and look for bird feed?
Yes.
Let's see. So there's a lot of food for beetles. No. Apparently. To make bug hotels. But we can't find anything for birds. So weird. I think we found it. What do you think of one of these?
It's really nice on you.
Comfy?
Nice rain.
Still closed for the virus. And it should open on the 7th of May. We discovered a playground. Playground! Oh my god, finally! Here she is.
What's going on here?
Oh, very heavy.
Ancora, dai, andiamo a prenderlo.
Aiutami! Vuoi quelle blu?
Quello che vuoi?
Prende la top!
Devo prenderla io?
Sì!
Vai, prendila prima te. Nice bench.
Maybe.
Non annaffiare la mamma,
Broccoli. Broccoli again, tomatoes, and Olivia's favorite cucumbers. All done. And Olivia's on the string. One string for two.
Come si dice in inglese? Tag. Sì, non puoi lasciare neanche lingua di mio.
Com'è?
Guarda che non puoi lasciare i cartellini, sennò le scimmie sanno che cosa sono.
Dici che sanno leggere?
Dalle figure sicuramente.
Le figure sono abbastanza eloquenti. Morning!
Good morning everyone.
We are going to pick up a surprise. Come and see what we're going to pick up.
Yeah, follow us.
Come with us.